Hi friends, I'm here to read you another story. This story today is called Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie. This story is so fun. It's all about dancing and moving and grooving, but the reason that I picked this story is because of the name of the main character. What do you notice about the word Pete? It has magic E, right? Let's take a look. There it is, Pete. P-E-T-E. My friend Magic E is on the end of this word. He hops over the T and he says to E, say your name, not your sound. And then the other E stays shh, quiet. Right. So, listen for Pete's name all throughout this story. I hope you enjoy it. And show me your cool dance moves. Send me a picture. Send me a video. I would love to see you and your cool dance moves after you listen to this story. All right, here we go. Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat was learning a new dance, the Cool Cat Boogie. Then Grumpy Toad came along. I really dig that song, but Pete, you dance all wrong. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Is that really nice? No. Pete couldn't sleep at all that night. What if Grumpy Toad was right? What if my moves are bad? I thought of not dancing made me feel sad. Dancing is like magic when I hear a groovy beat. I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. I love that Pete's not giving up. He's got this. I'm hearing a lot of rhyming words in this story. Do you hear them too? There's Pete. Pete was practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when he saw Squirrel. Hey, Squirrel, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just cha-cha-cha and dance along. There's Squirrel teaching Pete how to cha-cha. Show me your best cha-cha. Ah, ouch, Pete, you stepped on my toes. That's not how this dance goes. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Cool Cat. Pete was still practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when Gus came along. Hey, Gus, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? See what Gus says. Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just do the robot and dance along. Let me see your best robot. Boop, 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 boop. There's Pete and Gus. Da, 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 da. Ouch, Pete, you bopped me on the nose. That is not how this dance goes. Oh no. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. How do you think he's feeling? Maybe a little disappointed? But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. He's trying hard. Pete was still trying to do the Cool Cat Boogie when Turtle came along. Hey, Turtle, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just shake your tail and dance along. Shake your tail. There they are. Uh-oh. Oh no, Pete, you fell. You tripped over my shell. Everybody knows that's not how this dance goes. Pete felt like giving up. Oh no, what should he do? Should he give up? Wise old owl had been watching from his tree. Pete, it doesn't matter how you move, as long as you're being you. You are right, I never want to miss a chance to dance. When you hear a groovy beat, you feel happy in your feet. Just dance, 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 dance. There they are, all dancing. Cool Cat Boogie. Grab your boogie shoes. I want to boogie with you. If you want to pause the video and learn the moves, here they are for you. They say, slide right, shake your tail, slide left, shake your tail. Now clap, 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 real smooth, you've got the groove. Jump front, rock and roll. Jump back, rock and roll. That's neat, you got the beat. Grab your air guitar and rock it out like Pete. Here he is, rocking it out with his air guitar. The end. What did you think of that story? I love that story because even though Pete couldn't get the moves quite right, he never gave up. He never said, oh, I can't do it. He tried, and by the end, he got the moves down. He got his own moves. And even though they weren't exactly like his friend said, he still did whatever he wanted and made him just as happy, right? Who are some of the characters in this story? Let's take a look back through. Our main character in the story was who? Pete, right? And then Pete met Toad, Grumpy Toad. There he is. And then who did he meet next? Oh yeah, Squirrel. He met Squirrel. And then Squirrel tried to teach him the Cool Cat Boogie. And then he met Gus. There's Gus. Gus tried to teach him the Cool Cat Boogie, but they bumped noses. And then who did he bump into? Take a thinking moment. Who was after Gus? Turtle with his little boombox and his headphones. He said, can you teach me? And Turtle said, sure. He taught him some moves. Wag your tail. And then he fell. Oh my goodness. Who was the last character in the story? He was an important character. He taught Pete the lesson in the story. The owl, right? The owl said to Pete, hey Pete, it's it's okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter how you move. It just matters that you're being you. And then they all had a dance party. I hope you had fun with that story, friends. I can't wait for you to tell me the problem. Maybe tell me the solution in the story. Maybe take a picture or draw a picture of you doing your favorite dance moves. Maybe take a video of you trying to learn the Cool Cat Boogie. I would love to see that. I hope you had so much fun listening to this story and you heard Pete over and over and over with that magic E, making this E say his name. Okay, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.